It's Milton Explorer. I have this box because we're gonna check it out. Also, there's something inside. I'm so excited. And also, it's special because it's my first toy with you. Hello, it's Milton the Explorer. Let's open it and see. And we're exploring to where our grandma and grandpa live, and that's Ecuador. Let's get started to see. You know what's this, friend? It's perfect because I'm Milton Explorer.
It's a flashlight.
I can see. Nice color because we don't want to waste the battery. Look, what is this? This is the vest. My vest. What is this? This looks like a backpack. Then just check it.
Oh, this is a bag for all your tools.
This is my vest. What's inside the vest? Oh, it does fit me. It does fit. Let's put this in here. Do you subscribe? I'm Explorer Ecuador. Fun facts of Ecuador. Ecuador is known as the Ring of Fire. Ecuador, a country on equator. Do you know in Ecuador we speak Spanish? Hola, ¿cómo está? Mi nombre es Milton. Milton Explorador. Y yo voy a Ecuador. Do you know Ecuador is the world's largest exporter of banana? Quito is the official capital city. Ecuador is known for the Galapagos Islands. Ecuador has the active volcanoes. Friends, El Ecuador, which means the equator. That's how I got the name. Ecuador is next to Colombia and Peru. I'm so excited for my trip. I'm really excited. Awesome. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Also check out my special affiliate from See you next time. The like button and also subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. Check out my sister's channel, the Lead Fun page. Click on one of these videos for more fun.